So first I thought I'd introduce myself to you. My name is Aurora. I'm a mechanical engineer. I'm a university instructor. I used to teach mechanical engineering. I went to both high school and college at the same time as I started working for NASA back when I was 17. And actually I got a math minor when I was in college. And so I'm like a closet math geek. So that said, we are going to get started with today's lesson. And this is one of the first lessons I love to give in math because it's enough to make even 12th graders sit up and take notice and say, wait a minute, why does that work? And it's easy enough for a first grader to do if they're paying attention. And I know you are, especially if you're paying attention to me right now. So this is one actually I've even been known to share with people in pizza parlors at a Saturday night, and people are so excited when they see this one because it's so easy to get, and if you just look a little bit under the covers, you'll be able to figure out how this works all on your own. So I'm going to share with you some of the magic of the number 11, and I'm going to show you how to multiply 2 and 3 and more digit numbers by the number 11 quickly and easily in your head, and you don't even need to write anything down. I'm going to write it down so you can see it. But you don't need to. In fact, you can even have races against calculators, and you can tell your parents, hey, and you hand them a calculator and you say, can you check to make sure the calculator's working while you do this one in your head, and they will be amazed. So my job is to show you this technique. Your job is to figure out how it works, and I'm sure you can do it. And then when we come back next time, I will show you even more math to get started. Okay? So this one, again, is great for any age, and it's also great for adults who would like to maybe brush up on those math skills as well. Okay, so let me show you what you need to get started. All you need for these math sessions usually is a piece of paper and a pencil. If you're more visual, then just go ahead and do your thing. Close your eyes if you need to and just stare into space or contemplate your belly button or whatever you need to do. This is all about you, and it's got to work for you. So again, all you need is a piece of paper and a pencil if that's your style. If not, just go ahead and listen, and here's what we're going to do. Let's multiply a two-digit number by 11. It's really easy to do. Let's take a number like 72 times 11. So the first thing we do is we take the 72 and we separate it by a space here. And then what's 7 plus 2? It's 9, right? The answer is 792. Okay, let's try another one. How about 64 times 11? Okay, so we're going to take the 6 and the 4 and we're going to separate it. And 6 plus 4 is 10, so the 0 goes here and it's got a carry. So the answer is 704. Pretty cool, huh? Let's try another one. How about 36 times 11? Can you do that one in your head? Take the 3 and the 6 and separate it. What's 3 plus 6? 9. The answer is 396. Okay, what about this one? 47 times 11. Take the 4 and the 7 and spread them apart. Oh, but do you see a carry's coming? Because 4 plus 7, right? So you can already bump up the first one. Okay. And then 4 plus 7 is 11. The answer is 517. Let's do another one. How about 23 times 11? Can you do that in your head? Take the 2 and the 3 and put a space in the middle. 2 plus 3 is 5. The answer is 253. Okay, so once you do this, somebody's going to... So after you've got the hang of this, you're going to meet someone who's going to say, all right, smarty pants, what is 99 times 11? They're going to think they're all smart and everything, but you know you're smarter. So let's do it now. Okay, so 9 with a space and a 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Oh, I got a carry, so this actually becomes a 10. So the real answer is 1,089. All right, what about a 3-digit number? Let's pick a number like 123 times 11. It may look a little harder, but it's really not. You take the first digit and the last digit, and you spread them apart, because now we have 2 spaces here to fill. What's 2 plus 3? It's 5. What's 2 plus 1? It's 3. The answer is 1,353. Doesn't that sound impressive? Let's try another one. What's 413 times 11? Okay, and this time I'm going to do it down here. I'm going to take the 4 and the 3 and spread it apart, and I've got 2 spaces to fill. The 1 plus 3 is 4. The 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 4,543. Okay, let's take a larger number. What about the number 500? Let's take a larger number. What about 5,176? Okay, that's a 4-digit number, right? Times 11. Okay, so same thing. We're going to take the 5 and the 6 and spread it apart. But now, instead of 2 spaces, we're going to have 3. Okay, so 7 plus 6 is 13. Okay, so we're going to have a carry here. 1 plus 7 is 8 plus the carry, which is 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. The answer is 56,936. Do you see how that works? All right, here's my question to you. What's 999 times 11? There's 2 ways to do this problem quickly. Let's see if you can spot them. Okay, so you're going to take the 9 and the 9 and spread it apart. And there's 2 spaces in the middle, right? 9 plus 9 is 18. You got a carry here. 9 plus 9 is 18 plus the 1, which is 19. You got a carry, so this becomes a 10. The answer is 10,989. Now there's another way to do it too, isn't there? 999 is real close to which number? It's real close to 1,000. 1,000 times 11 is 11,000. How much do you have to subtract out, though? You have to subtract 11, and that gives you the same answer. So now you can totally wow your friends and your teachers by your ability to multiply 11 by any number at all. Now remember, my job is to show you what the technique is. Your job is to figure out how it works. So once you figure that out, go ahead and drop me a note, and I'll be able to help you out with figuring it out as well.